And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 154. Let me show you how you can render fibers. Find it under Filter, Render, Fibers. And I zoom out a little bit. We've got two sliders, the variance. If I increase that, you can see it gets more grainy, you could say. And if you go down, you have more like a stripe effect. And the strength is then for the intensity. So you can make these stripes, in this case, these lines a little bit harsher or softer. And then you also have a randomize option. And this doesn't randomize the variance and strength. It uses the values that you've set and then randomizes the result. So you still have to adjust variance and strength. Let us stick to this here. I confirm. Two more things. You can see it's on the layer that's active. So if I create a new empty layer, we have it now separated from our white background. And second, it uses the color swatches right here. Black and white was the default. Let me make that red and white. I render it again. We've got it on a separate layer. And it's now not black to white, it's red to white. You can also set the background color. So let me make that red to blue on a new layer. You can also go to Filter, and there's the last used filter, Alt-Control F, apply it, and now it's blue to red. And this is how you can render fibers in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.